I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to fix bases not recognize internal or external command. So when I'm using this command, press enter, then here I'm getting this message, and here if I write base, this also returning the error message. So for this one, in Google search box right there Git, then here go this Git SM site. So they're going to install for Windows. Click here. Now Git is currently downloading. So here I'm trying to install this Git and trying to fix this base is not recognized as an internal or external command. So here let's see the status. So this will take few minute times. Get that downloaded. Let's click on this. Now here let's click on next. Next. This is for icon and this all add git to base and now click on next, 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 and no need to just use default. So here this installing this git inside the Windows operating system, installing and this extracting the files. So here git and usr share. Now this done. Here you can see Git base that's come there. Okay, now thereafter here I'm going to again opening this command prompt right there base minus minus version. Now let's close this and again opening there. So still the same error message. Let's go on this C, then here program files, git, and here git base, git cmd, bin, here base file you can see. Let's copy right there, add it, system environment variable, then here let's go into this path and now add it, new, paste. So till bin we need to paste there, then okay, okay. Let's try once again cmd, then here writing base minus minus version. So this time there is no any problem. Here you can use this base. So base that's come there. So this is how we can fix the issue.